Hey, what's up YouTube? For today's video is what is my house in Minecraft. So it's just simple and I don't know how to build, but yes, I try my best. Yeah, it's just that's weird. Here first, it's not my house, but yes, it is my trash can to trash some that I don't need. So here you can see this later. You will see how can I enter it. So my door is iron door and I have just so if you come in I have this painting. I don't know what is this. Then here I have furnace whatever to cook, and I have 12, and here I have 4 craftings and chest for cooking stuff or something. Here is for my farm and for my cows. Here I down or whatever, just here can enter the cow and threaten and kill them and fight them, whatever. Charot. Ah, what that? What? I don't know what I'm gonna. So let's go up. Here guys, if you up you will see this painting that how funny with pig. And here I have selling stuffs, bone, spawn wolf, spawn polar bear, and spawn cow. I like cows, I don't know, I like wolf and polar bear. There's my dog, hi dog. Here is my bed here. I have my 1 bed and 2 chests. There. Some things to survive this survival mode. And you can see. So, my 3rd floor time. Let's up. Here you go. I have here some dogs, my polar bear, and my cow. And that's my example of my selling. If they don't know what is polar bear, it's like that. If you don't know, guys, it's polar bear. And I don't think they don't know this, but I think all of you guys know this. It's cow and wolf. So that's all in my house tour, and it's just simple. Oh, wait a minute. I can kill. I need wait. Wait. Later we will. Oh, what the heck? I made it. So kill it. Kill this cow. Look at this. Here we go. No time to get many. 1, 2. Yeah, baby. Baby stuff is. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There is the baby. I make baby using the cows, so I can make many cows and kill these cows. I'm sorry, but I need to kill some of you. Sorry, bro. Just one. And find some of it. So let's make all of it. Just Cool bass. Kill the one, kill the one, kill the one, kill the one. Kill the two, kill the two. I can spawn up to you. There. So close it. So that's it, guys. It's just simple and short. So here's the back of my house. There is the back of my house. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this.